Grandpa, look at all those bright stars. They're so beautiful. I wish I could touch them.
Yes, Aisha, those stars look small and twinkling, but they are huge balls of hot gases. They are much bigger than our Earth.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Do you know, Aisha, the sun is also a star?
Really? But it doesn't shine like all the other stars.
Yes, dear, the sun emits heat and light just like other stars. It looks bigger and brighter because it's much closer to Earth than those stars in the night sky.
Grandpa, what is that big dark space we see at night with all the tiny lights?
Aisha, that's the universe. It includes everything that exists, including millions of stars, planets, and other objects.
How was the universe made?
Scientists believe it began with a massive explosion called the Big Bang. Everything was once tightly packed and hot, and then it started to expand and form stars, planets, and galaxies.
What are galaxies, Grandpa?
Galaxies are huge collections of stars, gases, and dust held together by gravity. Our home galaxy is called the Milky Way. Aisha, would you like to know about the sun's family?
Does the sun also have a family like us?
Yes, indeed. The sun's family is called the solar system, and it includes the sun, the 8 planets and their moon, as well as other objects like comets and asteroids.
Wow, how does it look?
The sun is a giant ball of very hot gases, and it is located at the center of our solar system. It is the main source of heat and light for all the heavenly bodies in our solar system. See, Aisha, each planet moves around the sun. Our Earth also moves around the sun.
How are planets different from the stars? Do they also twinkle?
Planets are made of rocks, metals, and gases. They do not have their own heat and light. We can sometimes see them in the night sky because of the light of the sun.
Grandpa, why do planets move around the sun?
That's a great question, Aisha. Planets move around the sun because of a force called gravity. The sun's gravity pulls all the planets towards, and so they move around it.
Do all planets move in the same way?
Not exactly. Each planet travels around the sun on a specific path called an orbit. Each orbit has a unique shape and distance from the sun. Some orbits are closer to the sun, while others are farther away.
Grandpa, what's this tiny planet closest to the sun?
That's Mercury, Aisha. It's the nearest planet to the sun and the smallest in our solar system.
Is it very hot there?
Yes, Mercury gets extremely hot because it's so close to the sun. Its surface can be scorching during the day and freezing cold at night.
Venus looks so bright. Why is that?
Venus is indeed very bright, Aisha. It's because its thick clouds reflect a lot of sunlight. Some people even call it the morning star because it's sometimes visible before sunrise.
Grandpa, it's our planet Earth.
Yes, Aisha, that's where Earth is special because it has air to breathe, water to drink, and life of all kinds.
And this red planet is Mars, right?
Yes, Mars is known as the red planet because its surface is covered in reddish dust. It's also the second smallest planet after Mercury.
And then we have the largest planet, Jupiter.
Good observation, Aisha. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so big that 1300 Earth can fit into it.
Wow, look at this planet with rings. It looks so beautiful. What are those rings made of?
Those are Saturn's rings, Aisha. They're made of dust, rock, and ice particles.
These planets are so far from the Sun.
Yes, Uranus and Neptune are the outermost planet. They're much colder than the ones closer to the Sun.
Grandpa, you said planets move around the Sun. Do they spin too?
Yes, Aisha. Planets not only orbit the Sun, but also spin on their own axis, like a spinning top. This spinning is called rotation.
What are these small rocks floating in space?
Those are asteroids, Aisha. They are rocky objects that also orbit the Sun, but they are much smaller than planets.
Grandpa, what is this object with a tail?
That is a comet. It is made of ice, dust, and gas. When they come close to the Sun, they develop a glowing tail that can be seen from the Earth.
Is there anything else in our solar system?
There are satellites, Aisha. Satellites are small objects that orbit the planet. The Moon is the only natural satellite of our Earth.
Grandpa, can we live on the Moon?
No, Aisha. The Moon does not have air or water, so life is not possible here.
That's sad. I hope we can find another place like Earth where we can live.
Maybe when you grow up, you can become an astronaut and research about the universe.
Can I really become an astronaut?
Of course, my dear. But now it is getting late. You must go to bed and sleep.
Okay, Grandpa. Good night.
Good night, dear.